Hello everyone. I hope you are enjoying your day, and thank you for choosing IIA as your learning destination. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Today we will talk about the things to avoid in leadership. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We encourage you to engage with our content, ask questions, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Our community thrives on collaboration and learning from one another. Now let's start with our lecture about the worst 3 enemies of a good leadership. As you know, leaders are a key element in organizations because of their ability to keep a team united and motivated. The key to success is to detect the worst enemies of leadership that will lead them to mediocrity. Because of their capacity to maintain a team's motivation and unity, leaders play a crucial role in companies. Finding the deadliest adversaries of leadership that will drag them down to mediocrity is the key to success. These are the 3 dangers that can threaten your leadership. 1. Indecision. 2. Hesitation. 3. Lack of belonging. The first enemy of a good leadership is indecision. Indecision is one of the biggest dangers to a leader's integrity. Regularly changing one's mind about the organization's primary goals, continually altering the objectives of teams, and naturally developing a habit of making adjustments would not only hurt the organization, but also your leadership. The second enemy of a good leadership is hesitation. When making decisions, the leader must be decisive. While pretending to be an expert is not necessary, it is important to put any uncertainties to rest and act without hesitation in front of your colleagues. Your team will become discouraged if you hesitate to issue orders or make decisions, since it undermines the firmness and confidence that the leader should project. The third worst enemy of a good leadership is lack of belonging. A good leader's duties include creating a sense of unity among the company's personnel. The most effective organizations are those whose members are motivated by the same objectives and row in the same direction. If you don't encourage that sense of community, your leadership will be destroyed. This is the end of this lecture. See you on the next video. Thank you again and wish you a nice day. Goodbye.